What's up you guys, DJ himself here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste and make money online. And you're going to want to make sure you watch the entire video because I'm going to be showing you the exact tool I use to make this impossibly easy. Plus, if you watch the entire video, you're going to see another website where we can double our efforts and make even more money. Plus, you don't need any skills, no experience to do this, no ads, no website, no nothing. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a method that I've been using to make even way more money than ever before. So if you're excited to watch this video, smash that like button, let's get into it. To operate in this method, we're going to head over to Google. In Google, just quick search Google News, okay? Google News. Everybody's used Google News or heard of Google News. Click this, and when we go to Google News, on the left, we will see some categories, okay? So what we're going to do in this is we're going to select health. Now, once we get to the health, we have a lot of random articles, but we also have subcategories here. So what we're going to be using for this example is nutrition. Okay, now we have a lot of good new articles. They're all recent, 2 days ago, 19 hours ago, 14 hours ago, that are going to be health, nutrition related, okay? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be selecting one of these articles. Now, I'm going to show you how we're going to use these articles to make money. Now, there is some websites, believe it or not, guys, you may or may not know this, but some websites allow you to submit articles and they will pay you for it. We're going to be showing you how to do that. I promise you, you will not have to write anything. All right, first website we're going to use called eatingwell.com, okay, eatingwell.com. Now, this is a very health-conscious website. They have a lot of articles on here related to healthy eating, healthy recipes, healthy tips, special diets, different types of things, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Google News, we're going to grab one of these articles, and we are going to submit it to this website, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. But I first want to show you, if you go to Eating Well article submission in Google, one of these websites will come up first here, Writer's Guidelines, and it will tell you how we can submit these articles. It's going to bring you up a page like this, okay, which I recommend reading on your own time, guys. It's going to go a little bit more in depth of kind of what they're looking for in the articles and things like that. It does go into pitching tips. This is the email what we will be sending to, okay, pitches@eatingwell.com. Okay, in the subject line, you know, we can put Eating Well magazine pitch, and then, you know, you can put like nutrition or something like that. We're going to send our articles in, and I want to show you what they are paying. Pay rate up to $1 per word. So think about this, guys. If we send in an article that's 500 words and they choose our article, $500, okay, for them to use their article on our site to purchase the rights, basically. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we can do that. And also, they do accept some different other things. You know, you can do trends, travel, different types of things. But, you know, like I said, guys, read this on your own time. This is just a great website that we can submit articles to, and we can get paid for that. Now, you're probably thinking, how are we going to write this? I'm going to show you a free tool that we're going to use, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how we're going to write these articles. All right, first thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to go to Google News. We're going to select an article. This article looks great. Which fruits and vegetables boost brain function? I like that. Now, while this is loading up, let's go to this website, quillbot.com, Quillbot.com. This is going to be a paraphrasing app, and I'm also going to show you how we can create brand new articles from scratch using any article online and make things that are copyright-free articles. They're going to be unique. The only downside of this is that we will have to do it paragraph by paragraph if we don't want to pay to get the premium version, because the premium version we can do the whole article at once. Small price to pay, guys, to use this tool for free. It's amazing. I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so first thing we can do, we'll start with the title. Okay, which fruits and vegetables boost brain function? Okay, type that in here, hit paraphrase. All right, you see what this does, guys? Which fruits and vegetables boost brain function? Which fruits and veggies are good for your brain? So basically, to switch it around, make it unique. We didn't have to think of anything on our own. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep copying these section by section into our own page right here, which will be our new article. Okay, so that's going to be our title. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our article. We're going to grab our first paragraph and put that into Quillbot. So we'll copy that, paste in there, paraphrase, let it do its thing. It just takes a second. And just like that, guys. So summer is a time when fresh, delicious fruits and vegetables can be used all day long for a variety of fresh dishes. Summer is a season where you may eat fresh, tasty fruits and vegetables all day long in a variety of cuisines. Okay, fruit shakes, salads, quiche. Yet besides the taste, produce has many health benefits, one of which is for our brain function. Aside from the flavor, produce offers a slew of health advantages, one of which is improved brain function. Okay, guys. So basically, we're making it unique. Okay, so we're going to go through this. I'm going to go faster now, and then we'll show you how it's a completely unique article. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip through this article. I'll be right back to show you the finished product. Okay, so here we have it. We have our article, we have our title, we have everything that the Quillbot wrote. Did this in about 3 minutes, guys, so look how long this article is, and I could have never wrote this myself. So now we're going to do, because we want to be unique, we want to be the only people that have this article, we're going to test it. There's going to be a tool that we use to test if it's unique. So we're going to go to our article. So the tool we're going to be using is called plagiarismdetector.net. So we're going to paste in our article here, and we will submit it, and then we're going to get results. Okay, so we're just going to come here and hit check plagiarism. Okay, guys, so you see our results here. We're 70% unique, 30% plagiarized. Now that doesn't, that's not too bad considering we took 100% of an article and it's saying 70% of it's uniquely written. So what we can do now is we can just kind of play with this and then keep submitting it. So it's highlighting the articles or the parts that thinks it's plagiarized. You know, it's telling us the sources, which we already know what it is because that's where we took the article. But we can rewrite some of these and just kind of put it in our own words. It's only a few things, okay? Maybe saying following a group conversation, saying after talking to the group, or you know, remembering things from second to second. You can say thought of things from after thinking about things from moment to moment. Rewrite this just a little bit, guys, and then resubmit it, and you probably will be able to get 100%. and then submit your article to eatingwell.com. Okay, now as promised, by the way, too, you can go to the reason why it's not 100% is because this lever here allows us to say how much of the article do we want it to change. If it's on the lowest end, it'll only change a couple words. If it's on the highest end, it'll change more of the words. You cannot go to the full without having the premium version. So this will still change a lot of the words, but you know, this is still pretty good. And then, like I said, you can just do it yourself, and you can still do it for free, and you can still crank out these articles in a couple minutes instead of the hours it would take you to research and write them. So between pasting it in here and then reworking a couple sentences, that's really all you need to do, guys. Now, as promised, I was going to show you another place where you can submit some articles and some different types of articles as well. So the next one we're going to be called is the next one's called the Sierra Club. Okay, so you can go to Sierra Club article submission and then open the first two pages here. One's going to be the editorial guidelines. Like I said, you can read through these and kind of get an idea of what they expect. Our standard fee for online storage is $3.50. The fee can increase for regular contributors. Okay, so articles, guys, this is more money that we can make on top of submitting health articles to Eating Well, which will pay us $1 a word. Sierra Club does some different types of things. So here, a lot of nature stuff, climate and energy, land and waters, adventure, lifestyle. So what I would do is I would come back to Google News. I would come down here to science, and then I would click, environment, wildlife, these kind of things. All these articles on environment would be great for a site like that. Okay, so same process, guys. Click on an article. We're going to go to Quillbot. We're going to paste it in here, rephrase it, keep putting your article into here. Then take this article, go to plagiarismdetector.net, put it in here. If it gives you any red flags, rework those sentences until you get 100% unique, and then you're going to want to email those emails that they gave you. So it's going to say, send your pitches to pitches@eatingwell.com. All right, guys, so that's it. As promised, if you guys are interested in other ways to make money, these are kind of sort of helping you get started. If you're looking for other ways, click the link in the below. I'm going to have a link there that's teaching you the way that I've been making money online. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.